Here in my 2013 Chevy Sonic 1.4 liter automatic. It's got 36,000 miles on it. I'm gonna start it up. I'm gonna put it into gear. I'm gonna roll forward a little bit. I'm gonna roll backwards a little bit. Okay. Gonna put it in park. Alright, I am now in park. The problem is with my flashlight, the button is not coming back out. The button is still engaged, meaning I can hold the bottom of the gear knob See how I'm moving it without pushing the button? It's in park right now. Yet, I don't have to touch the shift knob. See, I'm touching the bottom of... Let me get a flashlight on it. I'm touching the bottom of the lever, not even touching the button. And I can move it because the button is stuck. The button just popped back out. So meaning I can be in park, go to shut off my car, I can't get my key out. I can't get my key out of my car. It's in park though. It says it's in park. But I can't get my key out of my car. That kind of sucks. My brand new car. That's really sucky. What's up with that? It's in park. 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 Can't get the key out. Huh. But yet, if I hit the thing right, let me get a good... If I hit it just right, oh, the button came out now. So I could take my key out. Start the car, put it in manual, drive. Go to put it back into park. The button is still stuck in, meaning I can grab from the bottom of the shifter and bump it into drive. That's not right. That's not right. Park, button is still stuck in. I can bump it into drive. That's not right, Chevy. That's not right at all. I'm very scared for children everywhere. Parents, everybody.